crisis and why cold consistency is the strongest weapon you have. Part 5. Cold consistency. When a trader becomes something that cannot be negotiated, with most traders are not defeated by a crash, they are eroded by inconsistency. Disciplined today. Break the plan tomorrow. A winning streak makes them overconfident. A losing streak makes them panic, cut size, or go all in. They have no stable shape. They morph with every candle, and anything that changes with the environment can be controlled by the environment. Disciplined traders understand the market cannot be controlled, but your reaction can. So they build something very uncomfortable to instinct: cold consistency. Not consistent because emotions are stable, consistent despite emotions. They win, they do one correct thing. They lose, they do that same correct thing. No celebration, no self-punishment, no structural change. This is where 90% of traders fall out. Because humans can't tolerate flatness. The brain wants climax, wants to feel special, wants a story to tell. But professional trading is a chain of days that are brutally boring. Same hour, same framework, same entry method, same exit method, same size. No today is different, no intuition, no this time is special. This consistency makes others uncomfortable because it gives them nothing to latch onto. They can't predict whether you'll be excited or panicked. They can't use praise to make you careless. They can't use pressure to make you break discipline. You become a dead spot in their emotional matrix. And that's what makes consistent traders frightening. Not because they are good, but because they do not react. There is a strange kind of power in trading, the power of doing nothing. Not entering when conditions aren't met. Not increasing size when you're winning. Not revenge trading when you're losing. Not explaining, not justifying, only executing. The market cannot pull you out of that identity because there is nothing to pull. When other traders look at you, they see something with no cracks, no point to stimulate, no point to provoke, no button to press. That's why cold consistency is always misunderstood as being emotionless. But in truth, it is the highest level of psychological maturity. You no longer need the market to make you feel good. You don't need to win to feel valuable. You don't need to avoid losses to protect your ego. You only need to do the right thing, and do the right thing long enough. Traders like that don't chase feelings. They chase reliability. Reliability in the system, reliability in data, reliability in the ability to repeat correct behavior across thousands of executions. That reliability creates something very rare: quiet confidence. No need to show off, no need to prove, no need to compete. You know who you are in this market, and that is enough. But to reach that state, you must kill something very familiar: the need to react, the need to do something when things aren't going your way. Here is a simple but brutal exercise. Every time you want to break discipline, don't ask, "Will doing this help me?" Ask, "If I do this 100 more times, what will happen to my account?" That question pulls you out of the moment and puts you into probability. Consistent traders live on the probability level. Emotional traders live on the moment level. And these two worlds never meet. When you truly enter the probability level, the win-loss of a single trade loses its power. No more important trade, no more must-win trade, only a long data series that you execute coldly. That is when you become something that cannot be negotiated with, not with emotion,